Welcome to this detail painting tutorial where we will create a memorizing night scene filled with glowing moonlight and the beach and peaceful cityscape. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners or anyone who loves detailed landscape paintings. It's very easy painting. So let's start by painting a smooth blue sky using light blue and ultramarine blue. Blend the color to create a soft gradient, giving the feeling of calm moonlight night. Add distant mountains in ultramarine blue color. To set the backdrop, use a flat brush for clean edges and blend lightly for depth. Painting a small glowing city on the bank of the beach, highlighting the buildings with the white and add tiny windows for a lively illuminated effect. Create a beach scene with the soft reflection of moonlight on the water. Add small ships floating on the glowing surface for enhancing the vibe. Paint a large tree in the foreground and in the front. From the branches, moonlight is shining through them. Surround the tree with the grassy mountains to add textures and natural touch. Highlight the moonlight streaming through the tree branches and across the water for a magical effect. So it's an acrylic painting. I used flash brushes, round brushes and fine brushes. So perfect balance of simplicity and details for a beginner. A relaxing and creative way to capture the beauty of nature. In this painting I use paper. It's a special 300-gram paper, but you can use canvas or whatever you want. A relaxing and creative way to capture the beauty. So if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner friendly paintings ideas.